Guys, welcome to Online Money Hunter, where I teach you guys how to make money. I discovered this airdrop. Okay, I discovered this airdrop, and I talked about it on our Telegram channel and our WhatsApp group. And after giving them the link and explaining it to them, some understand how to claim this airdrop and some don't understand. That's why I'm making this video. So if you find this video, just know that you are going to claim this airdrop. Okay, you are going to claim it right now. Like the airdrop that I always drop here is something that we're going to make you a lot of money. Okay, the only thing you need is just to be patient and work with me so that we can make this money together. So I'm going to our Telegram where I posted this airdrop link. Okay, so we are going to do everything together. Make sure you smash that subscription and turn on the notification bell, because I always show you everything the way it is. So we are going to start from the scratch on this airdrop. Okay, the name of this airdrop is Airdrop network. You can see it here. Okay, and you can see how much this 10,000 worth of it. You can see it here. Okay, that's 10,000 worth of it is 14,589.42. You can see it here. So what are you waiting for? You guys need to mine this airdrop. It's free of charge. You are not going to pay any money. Okay, so I said that in the morning. Look at those screenshots above. Airdrop network is cooking something massive for those who can see. My advice is, even if you miss all the mining apps, okay, don't miss Airdrop network for anything. Airdrop network, it is really going to be massive. Okay, get register immediately and mine and share your referral link to everyone. If you have registered already, share your link aggressively. Airdrop is coming bigger than you think. So guys, this is the update I got in the morning, and I always share it with my audience. Okay, so that's why I say that you should come and join us here so that you'll be getting updates, not everything that I'll be posting in our YouTube account. Okay, so I click on this link. Okay, you can come and click on it, or I will drop the link in the description below. So once you click on that, it's going to bring you here. Okay, so once you are here, you can see you have been invited to be part of this, to be part of the Airdrop network. So what do we need to do right now? Okay, we are going to click on this Google Play. Okay, that's what we are going to click right now. So we click on Google Play. So once we click on Google Play, we need to download this app. Okay, just follow it step by step so that you will understand what we are doing here, because we always share with you legit way to make money. It might take time for you to make money with all those stuff that I'm showing here, but definitely it's worth it, because only 1,000 worth of this coin will change your life. Okay, will change your life for good. So that's why I always advise you for you to come and learn, come and do what we are doing. Okay, so that whenever that all these updates keep coming, you will understand how to do it and you rush and do it immediately. Okay, so after downloading it, what you are going to do is to click on this open. So once you click on this open, the next thing to do is very simple. Okay, you are going to wait for it to load. Okay, so after loading, you are going to come to this place, this email. So once you come to this email, either use your email or phone number. Okay, any one is okay. So I'm going to make use of this email. Okay, so after putting your email address, you click on this login/sign up. So once you click on login/sign up, you will see message like this. Can you see the message 139? So once you see message like this, what do you need to do? You are going to go to your email. Okay, so go to your email. You can see that the message has come. So once you go to your email, so this is the email. So after you have put your email, okay, you are going to get message like this. So once you receive the message, the next thing you need to do is very simple. You can read this, and after reading it, you are going to come to this sign in to Airdrop. So you click on sign in to Airdrop. Follow it step by step. So you leave it to load. So you can see where to put that code that we saw at initial. So I'm going to look for that code again. That's 139. 139. We are going to put that 139 here. 139. So after putting that 139, you need to go back to the app again. Okay, so follow it step by step. So you need to go back to this app. So once you are here, you can see that it's logging you in immediately because you have put in that 139 there. So after that, you need to read everything here. Welcome to ICE. ICE is digital currency that you can earn with your phone. ICE is owned and operated by everyday, okay, everyday users like yourself. So I click on next. You can see it. We're going to go through this one. People's coin. The power is in your hand. Everything that we develop at ICE will be open source of control, will be open source and controlled by the decentralized autonomous organization. DAO, okay, that's the full meaning of DAO, decentralized autonomous organization. So you keep till the last one, okay. So here you are going to put your nickname. What do you love people to call you? Okay, that's your nickname. You are going to put your nickname here. So let me just say, let me say Raf. So Raf, after putting Raf like this, I click next. So Raf is already taken, so I'm going to put like 247 Raf 247. I click on this. So you can see that your current balance is plus 10 eyes. Okay, that's the current balance. I have gotten this token right now. So I click on complete. So once I click on complete, I will allow it to load. Okay, so you can see that I'm inside right now. It's going to be showing you this is the navigator where you can learn how to operate everything, but don't worry, I'm going to show you everything here. So I skip all. Okay, so once I click on skip all, the next thing to do, you can see what I'm going to be doing one after the other. Okay, you can see it right here. So I'm going to complete all these achievements for me to get more eyes, and this is going to start mining for me. Okay, so we are going to learn everything. So the next thing here, after you have set your nickname, okay, you got 10 eyes. Okay, so I'm going to click on the step 2. Step 2 is start earning. I click on start earning. So you can see that I have started earning. So the profile, I need to upload my profile. Okay, so once I click on upload profile, you can see you have unlocked window. So I'm going to put my image here. So let me just put one image here. Okay, let me just put this AAS token. So I click on this place, save. So after putting on the save, I'm going to allow it to load. Okay, I'm going to allow it to load. So after that, you can see that this is it. Okay, my profile have changed. Okay, you can see it. So the next thing is to go to home again. So after coming back to home, I'm going to follow them on Twitter by clicking on Twitter. So once I click on Twitter, I'm going to allow it to load. So I'm going to allow it to load. So you can see, you click on follow. You click on follow here. Reminder. Okay, so after that, you go back. So you have done that. The next one is join their Telegram. You click on join their Telegram. So first of all, you are going to put your nickname. Okay, so I'm going to write something like Don Raf 24. So I click on confirm. So it's going to get me to Telegram right now. We are going to Telegram so that we can join their Telegram. So you can see now here that I have joined their Telegram already. So I'm going to go back. Okay, this is simple thing you need to be doing here. So I'm going back. So you can see here I have done all of them. You can see it here. So the remaining one is to invite friends. How do you invite friends? So how to invite friend is to click on this invite friend. Then you can see your link here. Okay, once you click on this link, copy it. You have copied it. Then you can go to your social medias, paste this link, and anybody that use that link to register, you are going to earn some eyes. Okay, so make sure that anybody that you want to get into eyes, make sure you give them this video, share this video with them. Okay, after giving them your link, okay, then share this video with them so that they can use it to learn how to register and start mining. Okay, so it's very simple. So after that, the next thing we're going to do is to come to this place. You can see where I'm touching. Okay, this is mining, so that you can start mining immediately. You can see where I'm touching. So I click on this mining. So once I click on it, you can see boost your earning rate. Okay, so please take your eyes reward for up to 5 years and increase your earning rate by up to 20 to 50%. Okay, so you click on this place. So once you click on this, you are going to click on agreed. Okay, you can see it here, agreed. So once you click on it, you confirm it. Okay, so after confirming it, they are going to start mining for you. So that's very simple. It's very simple for you to do. Okay, so if I refresh it again, you can see that I have 15.84 eyes. You can see it here. Okay, you can see it here, 15.85 eyes. It will keep increasing here. You can see this is mining. It's mining for me right now. Okay, and I'm going to be earning 7.63 every hour. Okay, that's what I'm going to be earning every hour free of charge. I'm not going to be doing any more thing here. The only thing that I will be doing here is just to come here and invite people. Okay, that's the only thing. And if you invite up to 5 persons, you can leave it like that. So I'm going to be giving you updates concerning these eyes and more things on how you can earn more money. Okay, don't think that you are wasting time here. What you are doing here is practical way on how to make money. This is wealth. We are creating wealth unknowingly to us. Okay, maybe in next year, maybe you will hear that ice has launched and one ice worth $5. Okay, then you will remember that you have something like that in your app. Do you know how much it's going to make for you? So that's the reason why you should take all this very serious. So once you click on this place, you click on stake. This is where you can keep staking what we did just now. It's very simple. You click on confirm them. It's mining for us. You can see that the mining have been increasing. Okay, and you are going to be getting 7.63 eyes every hour. This is wow. Okay, so I want you guys to come right now so that we can make this money together. Okay, I want us to make this money together. This is their social medias. You can join all of it so that you will be understanding, or you will be learning, you will keep learning how you can make more money with this eyes network. Okay, so it's very simple. If you don't understand anything here, I'm always here to help you. Always chat me on my Telegram channel, okay, or on my WhatsApp group, where I will be there 247 to help you. Okay, that's my promise. I'm going to be helping you on how you can make this money together. So let me leave it like this for now. Okay, I'm going to make video on how I make some money, okay, on the app that I posted before. I'm going to show you how I made money there, and we are going to withdraw the money together for you to understand that whatever that I post here, I'm giving you 70% assurance that it's going to work for you, because it's working for me also. And I'm not a financial advisor. What I do here is that whatever that is working for me, I'll come direct and show you how I'm doing that. I believe that you are going to achieve the same goal if you do what I'm doing. Okay, so you are going to do your own research, understand what you are doing here before you can start doing it. That's why I'm always here to guide you on how you can make money, and I take my time to teach you guys. Okay, you can see that the money keep increasing. Okay, that's 16.40 eyes. You can see it here. So see you at the top, guys.